Welcome back. In this tutorial, this is the part 2. So this is what we'll be creating in our tutorial. So let's quickly just dive into CapCut. We'll click on new project. We need to first of all import the video. So I'm just going to give you a tip as a video editor. As a video editor, make sure you always put all your video resources in one folder. So at any point in time you want to edit, you just easily go there and pick the video without you going through your gallery and searching and searching. Make sure you create just a folder or a file where you can be saving your video editing assets, maybe the background in one area, the transition in one area, the overlays in one area. So that way video editing very easy. So I'll just quickly just go through where I've saved the video and I will import it into CapCut. So I've seen the video to which I want to use, so I'll just click on add, then add it into my timeline. So before we continue, we need to add our second video. So we're going to be using overlay. So we're going to be using overlay in this second to add the second video. So you can see overlay down there, and just tap on overlay, add overlay. So we just add the video. So you can see overlay now. Overlay just simply means that the video will be on top of the one at the back. So now what we need to do now before we can start editing is to first of all is to transform the video. So you tap the video on the timeline, drag your cursor down there, drag it to where it says transform, because we don't need the whole part. Okay, so we just transform it, just crop out the part we need. We just need only the hand and the phone, so we'll just crop it out. See the way I'm cropping out using the edge using the edge to crop. So just crop out the portion we need. Then once we are done, then we just start to now we'll start using what we call keyframe. Keyframe is just what you use to whatever you do on the screen. Keyframes helps to keep track of it. That's what keyframes simply talk about. Whatever you're doing on the screen, the keyframe quickly keep track of it. So let me show you where the keyframe is. Okay, using my cursor, I'll just show you. So the keyframe can be found, you can see it. Let me show you. Let me use this. Okay, so this is that's what we call our keyframe. So first of all, our first keyframe, so where I'm putting the keyframe, make sure you take note of where I'm putting the keyframe, because it's very essential. So as I put the second keyframe, I drag the video at the back to the left using my finger. If you tap the video on the timeline, you can easily drag the video at any time. See the way I dragged it. Okay, I'm dragging it. So whenever if I play the video now, it will go that way. Okay, I play again. Let's see how it goes again. To go the way I keyframed it. So now the one at the overlay, we're going to let's first of all work on this one to be let it be perfect, because I want it to be in the same size with the other one. So see, just be marking how I'm placing the keyframes, marking where I'm placing the keyframe. Okay, so we'll drag again. Let's see how it is now. Okay, it's still not very as fast as I want it to be. Okay, let us still adjust it a little and see how it goes now. Okay, I think it's getting better now. I think this is better now. So this is better. So now please, on the other overlay, there's what is making the video to come in that way. On the overlay, if you look down there, there's one you call animations. I think I put on the slide left animation. Maybe I mistakenly cut that part, so sorry if you're not seeing that. So once I'm done, I'm just going to import my next video right into the timeline. Remember, there's a video that came at the middle, at the center, so I'll just quickly search and just quickly import that video. So I've seen the video, so I'll just tap on it and click on add. So I still under overlay, that's why you're going to import that video, still under overlay. Okay, so you just position it very well, put it at the center. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Then using animations, I'm going to create that effect where it to be going in cycle. Remember, I told you to use animation in the previous one, so the same thing here. We're going to be using the rotating animation. that when we play our video now, we'll see how it will rotate at the center. And make sure that the video overlay, they are not at the same side, they come one after the other. Okay, see the way I arrange them, you just drag it. Okay, so that's how the third one came outside. Then we're still going to add another overlay again. So this is the the fourth overlay. So we just click on add. Now if you look at this video now, I'll need to reverse the video because the video is not giving me what I want. Just see what I'll show you what I mean. Let's just quickly just click on play. But before that, let's remove the background. Let's remove the background. So use our chroma key, remove the background, which is that bluish or sky blue colored stuff. So remove it. After removing the overlay, the background, I mean to say, then if you look at the video now, there's something I want to show you. Now let's drag a little, let's zoom in. Then you see now it is showing loss and the money is going out. I want the money to be coming into the bag, not going out of the bag. So for me to do that, because as a video editor, you need to be very creative with your resources sometimes. So for me to do that, where the money will be coming in, I'm going to click it on reverse. So you just drag down there on your timeline, go to reverse. You can see reverse. So just allow CapCut to quickly reverse. It doesn't waste time, doesn't waste a lot of time. So once the video is reversed, then the next thing now you just to pick out the portion we need. So I'm just going to just slide a little. I don't need this part where it's showing loss because I've been reversed. So I'll just quickly drag it to where the money is entering into the bag rather than going out. So I'll just pick out the portion. So I'll just split around this area. Remember how we split? Okay. So you just let me just adjust it again. I think from here is better. No, not here. Okay. Yeah. So you just drag and click on split. So when you click on split, you delete the other portion. Then you now drag this one to the other side to under the other overlays over there. So you just position it very well. See the way they are coming. I said they are coming in steps. Okay, so that way it will look better. So this is what we have. The first one. Okay, you see, right? So I'm just going to just resize this one now so it will be perfectly fit. So I'm just going to just position it using my finger. Okay, I think down there is better now. So once we have done it, another thing we need to put is our animation. So I'm just using the slide up animation for this. So slide up. So that's the animation I use. So let's see how it goes now. Slide up. Okay, I think this is where we're going to stop for today. But let's see again how it goes. And always export your videos before you go to the next one. The reason is because sometimes there's some CapCut mobile cannot do some kind of editing for some phones, not all phones. So if you are doing heavy editing, the videos will start to lag. As you can see, it's already lagging already. So I make sure I always export my video before I go on with the next one. So that way my editing, I will not stress myself and will not be too much of lagging during my editings. So that's the reason why I always advise that whenever you are done with your editing, always export your video. Okay, so we'll be stopping here for today. Please see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.